Mason.
Hey, Mason.
Mason, how about
Go see my room. I think.
In our room, because I thought I heard Santa in our room last night. Wait.
Look under the bed. Look everywhere.
Okay. Mason, come over here.
What?
Go.
Friday new.
What's in there?
Look at the tag. See what the tag says.
Oh, he's died. Come here, come here. What's his name?
Sam.
Sam. Come here, Sam.
Sam, come here.
Do you help getting him out?
He's scared.
Do you help getting him out?
What it is. What are you guys looking at?
What'd you get, dude?
A dog.
A what?
No way.
A dog.
I didn't even know you wanted a dog.
I did.
Can I get him out?
Mason, let Dad get him out.
Okay.
Hi,
He looks so cute. He misses his family so much.
Go ahead.
We wish you a Merry
He looks so cute. It's shy.
He's so scared.
A little nervous.
Birthday.
Why is he so scared?
He's shaking.
Christmas. He's no scared.
Why is he scared? Does he miss his family? Are you
He
gonna be
misses
his?
Santa.
Are you gonna be his new family?
If he's scared like that, you have to be so careful with
Hey.
Isn't he lovely?
Hey, Bud. Bud, is that what you wanted?
Yeah.
Come here.
Did you get everything you wanted?
Come here.
Yeah.
Come here.
How about you let him sniff him
Put
first?
one hand under him.
Put one hand
Well,
under
must
it.
be
Get one hand
pretty
under
good
him.
dog. I know little pet. Oh, he's so delicate.
Oh my gosh.
Go show him to Mom.
Okay, snuggle him in tight. Snuggle him in tight.
Put both of your hands underneath him, Mason, like a
Oh,
baby.
it's scratching me.
Do you not know how to hold it?
It's
No,
scratching.
he doesn't. Put your hand like
Put your
this,
hands
Bud.
up. Put your hands up.
Sit.
Put both hands up.
Scott, put your hands and show him.
See how? There you go.
There. See,
doesn't
now
he-
he feels safe.
He doesn't even bark or
What's your
anything. He's
puppy's
just a
name?
Nice doggy.
Sam.
You ain't
Is that
not
the kind of
little
dog you wanted?
Mm,
What kind of dog is he?
um,
A New Yorkie.
a Yorkie.
That's what you wanted.
Oh boy, I thought I heard Sam walking here last night, but I was too sleepy.
Hey, Sam. Thank you.
I'll walk out with them. I'll sit in
I guess
We
he
need
knew
to-
that